ArborFest to me is community, culture, education, and safety. This is an event that's been going on for almost 10 years.
What a great event. Lots of festive stuff going on, some great games. It's been fantastic. The vibe here is insane.
Hey, I'm Robert Albritton. A lot of y'all know me as Jambo Man. If you haven't been here yet, come on in, get in line. You're gonna win something. We're gonna make sure of that, but having a blast at ArborFest. Wish you were here.
I have to tell you, it has been an amazing experience. There's a lot of things that make this event more special than any others. It's the people here and the training, and it's just amazing to be here. Don't miss out.
If you're not here, you should come, because this is for tree people, by tree people, ArborFest 2025.
I love this show. It's so well organized. There's always a great showing and amazing classes. So if you got the time, swing on down. And if you missed it this year, we'll look forward to seeing you in 26. Peace.
It's been so amazing, and this experience has gotten me so fired up for next year. Make sure you're there. We'd love to have you.
Can't wait for 2026, guys. I'll be here. Hope I see you here.
It has been an incredible event here. These events are so important for us.
The level of education and training and the people that show up, it's a great time, and we hope to see you here.
I love being here at ArborFest. It's a great opportunity for folks to get hands-on information right here standing next to you. They can see the things that maybe they've seen online in person and get their hands on some unique equipment.
What I like the most about this event is just getting to see familiar faces.
Just connecting with the fans, making connections, networking with other companies, and just having a great time.
The camaraderie, the excitement, the fun, it's basically a tree festival. If you weren't here as professionals taking classes, you wouldn't even know it. You'd think it was a party, and it damn near is.
Put on a true tree care event for tree people, by tree people. So thank you so much. We hope to see you next year.